In the world of automotive enthusiasts, few projects capture the imagination like a well-executed Restomod. Today, we delve into a remarkable build that marries the timeless charm of the 1967 Volkswagen Beetle with the performance prowess of the 1997 Porsche Boxster. This fusion results in a vehicle that not only turns heads, but also delivers modern driving dynamics wrapped in a classic silhouette. The project, known as Uno, was conceived by Linden Lee, a passionate car builder with a vision to blend the iconic design of the Beetle with the advanced engineering of the Porsche Boxster. The choice of the 1997 Boxster as the donor car was strategic. Its wheelbase and floor pan dimensions closely matched those of the Beetle, allowing for a seamless integration of the modern components without extensive modifications to the Beetle's body. Uno retains the original steel body of the 1967 Beetle, preserving its classic lines and character. However, beneath this familiar exterior lies a completely re-engineered chassis and drivetrain sourced from a Boxster. The result is a vehicle that offers the best of both worlds. The nostalgic appeal of the Beetle combined with the performance and handling capabilities of a Porsche. One of the standout features of this build is its suspension system. Equipped with coilovers and strut braces, Uno boasts a lowered stance that enhances its aggressive appearance and improves handling dynamics. The 19-inch wheels, wrapped in 305-section width tires at the rear, not only contribute to the car's striking look, but also provide the necessary grip to handle the increased performance. Powering Uno is the 2.5-liter flat-six engine from the Boxster, delivering approximately 201 horsepower. While this may seem modest by today's standards, the lightweight nature of the Beetle's body ensures that the power-to-weight ratio is significantly improved, resulting in a more responsive and agile driving experience. Inside, Uno features a blend of classic and modern elements. The interior retains the Beetle's vintage charm, with custom touches that reflect its Porsche heritage. The integration of modern amenities ensures that the driving experience is both nostalgic and contemporary. This project stands as a testament to the creativity and craftsmanship of car enthusiasts who dare to push the boundaries of automotive design. By combining the beloved Beetle with the sophisticated engineering of the Porsche Boxster, Uno offers a unique driving experience that honors the past while embracing the future. For those interested in owning a piece of automotive history, Uno is currently available for sale at £23,500, approximately $31,000. This price offers an opportunity to own a vehicle that is not only a conversation starter, but also a testament to the ingenuity of its creator. In conclusion, the Uno project exemplifies the spirit of automotive innovation. It challenges the notion of what is possible when two distinct automotive cultures collide. The result is a vehicle that honors the past, embraces the present, and paves the way for future automotive endeavors.